Hi, myself Alok Ranjan, and today I am going to show you how to work on the existing code bases to add some extra features on above it. So here I am having a Desmukhi Express code base, which is the code to is a website where you can order some items to deliver to get on your places. So let's open this, how it is actually working currently. So here it is so here you can just log in. Here is the buttons to place the order, and here are these are the items which you fill in these forms. Suppose here these are items. So what I am going to do is I am adding some extra button to add a column so that it will take the quantity of the items to orders. So example, I want to order biryani 2 quantities, so I have to add a button below that. So let's add it. So where I have to go is firstly it will go to, whenever this program runs, it will go to package.json. Here I am going to show the data flow, how it is going to reach to the front end part. So when you open this package.json, it will show this part. Here you will see the slash, you can see here script, it is the starting part, and here it is opening this location, that /bin/www. So let's go there. You will see that this place. So here you can see where it goes. So it's the variable part is all the, and here you set the app.set. There is also the variable, and here you are starting that thing, that server relation port. So what is the server? It is the create server app. So let's go to this app. So it is going to app, so I am going here. So what is that app? Is it the /app? It is going to /app. So let's go to /app. This one is that app.js. So when you reach here, let's see where this will let this page to go. So here you can see these are the functions only, and after that there is a function calling. There is initialize directly, we just call that functions. So you can clearly see, and these are the await database initializations. This database is initialized here. These are the constant part, and here you see that this part is opened when this function is called. This part is opened. So let's control and click on this. So here you can see it's the index.js, and here you can see that there is a 2 location it will goes. When there is only slash, it will goes to the page router. When there is a /API, it will go to API router. So let's go to page router. When you can just what I have done is just click on the control and just click in this. So I reach this place. Here you will see the whatever the URL will be placed on this URL space, which place it will go in the backend part. So as you can see here, it's the app.user.request. Okay, so app.user.request is at this place. Okay, so these are the middleware that is the required, and after that it will go to this place, controller. Just click on control and just click on this. Here we have reached this controller part. So it will what it goes to, it just render this part, app/user/request. So I am going to this place where it is placed. So app/user/request. Okay, so these are in the views part. So go to view, there is an app, then user, then there is a request.ejs. Okay, just open it. Okay, I am just opened it, this app request.ejs. So here is the whole front-end part, whatever it will get shown on the pages. So here I have to add quantity part. So after this will be good to add. So just see that is the choose item needed to drop location. Just copy this and here where it is, Control F V. So here it is. So this part goes from here to this part. So I have to add here only whatever we need to add. So the quantity part is like this part only. Yeah. Quantity contains the integer now. So this fare is also contain integer. So it will be somewhat like this code. So let's see where this is fare. Okay, Control C, Control F B. Okay, this is the fare part. Let's just copy it. Just copy this and paste it here where you want to add the code. Okay, so just I am pasted it here. I have to edit to the needed requirement. So I am going to change this to view, whatever the level will be. So I am writing it as quantity, that number of items. Okay, and input type will be number only. My name is Pharaoh, name should be changed. So let's say we are going to say it as quantity. Okay, and placeholder should be quantity only, quantity. Okay, quantity. Okay, and this one should also be changed, quantity. Okay, so I have changed the front end part, and now we have to go to the database part, how it will be stored in that place. So let's see when we click the submit button where it goes. So when you click the submit button, it will be the JavaScript file. So let's go to this request.js. It will be in the public file. So let's go to this place, public JavaScript app, then user, then request.js. So let's see. When you click on the submit button, it is saying that it will go to this Ajax file, and Ajax will go to API/app. Okay, this is going to API/app. So API/app will be in the controller part. API is there in the app.js. Okay, and the method is the post. So let's see what is in this. Oh, see here. This part we have edited now. We should have saved. As here it is, see, is the black dot here, so it is not saved. So just Control S to save it, and then just go to this place. Here it is what it's going to call it. It's just create the database. So we have to change inside that to make the new adjustment. So what we are going to do is just going to the place where it is going to place the database form data file. So it will goes to the API handler, and this API handler is business logic. Okay, in business logic there will be app, create, and then logic. So business logic, app, and there will be create, then logic. Okay, so let's go to create, and then here you will go. Here you get that whatever we will enter in the form, it will be stored in this request.body. Okay, as you can see here is the request here, whatever it will be stored in the request.body, and this will be transferred to this variable like category, then requirement, then time and fare. So you can see here we have added let's see here, we have added after this now this is the, let's see, category, requirement, time and fare. This is the category, requirement, this is the time, and this is the fare. So what we have to do is we have to add the, after this requirement, after requirement we have to add the quantity part. So let's just add it, the quantity. Okay, so whatever we have just input in the request, bro, switch off this fan. So whatever we are going to put in the form, it will just pass into that this category, requirement, quantity, time and fare. So let's go to the quantity we have just put in that here. So we have to put this quantity variable part in the database. So let's see, we have to add here. Let's see, we have to add here, that's the let's add in here only category, after that requirement. Okay, requirement quantity, and here you can add it quantity. Okay, so I have added this quantity part here, and let's see here, it's the whole part goes to this place, return await database. Here it will goes to this request. So let's go to this place. See here, the whole part whatever. See here, I have edited now, so it is the black dot here. So just click on Ctrl S. Okay, so it the file whatever the form we have filled, it will goes to this database, and it will goes to this request, and this request contains, this is the database name. So just write it new database. Okay, I am going to write the new database name. So whatever we have just input, it will be stored in this my database. Okay, so it is a black dot, so we have to Ctrl C, and let's again restart this. Okay, it started. Okay, let's see whether it's get added or not. Go to place order, request form. Here you can see that this part is get added. Here you can let's see, add here item delivery. Let's see, biryani, 3 items, and here 5 p.m. and let's say it should be in 150. Okay, let's try this and click on submit button. It will succeed. So to see whether it's working or not, you can go to the inspect and see in the network part that whenever you click this, you can see here that it is you can see here in the payload, see here, this data will be goes on to the database. So let's see whether it is get stored in the database or not. So to reach to that place, let me do this. It will be stored in, it will can be shown in this part also. So you can see here, it's not showing here. As you can see, the quantity is not showing here, this at this place. Okay, so let's see why it is not showing in the dashboard part. It's the front end part. Let's see where this front end part goes in the back end. So let's see here, it's the dashboard now. So let's go to the index. No, it's in the page. See this, it's the app delivery dashboard. Okay, app delivery and dashboard. So middleware, it's good, and then it is so let's see, go here. So it is this one, let's render this, and let's go to this place, app delivery and dashboard. It will be in the views file. So let's see, go to views, app, and then delivery, then go to dashboard. Okay, you can see here this part goes to this one, dashboard.js. So it will be in the public file, public what is the one, javascript, app delivery, javascript, then app, then delivery, and then after that we will got the dashboard.js. Okay, so let's see what is in this. Oh, see here, this function contains, it is showing this part only. Okay, so let's add here what is showing. I want to show it at this place, category. After the category, it should show whatever we have just entered. So let's see, add in category. Just see that title will be quantity. Okay, just add it comma, and this part will goes to formatter, this one. Okay, and this what it does is it takes from this part. Okay, it takes the data from this part. So let's add the quantity also here, where I have added. So we have added after category quantity added. So after category we have to add the quantity part. Okay, so the name is QUAN quantity, and as you can see it will be same like this only, row.fare, so it will be row.quantity only. You have to just follow the previous code only, because I am not going to showing in the full code from scratch. Okay, quantity, so it's added here. Okay, here it is going good, and let's see again. Just Control S, then Control C. Okay, let's see now what's coming here. Can't get app delivery dashboard. Okay, let's figure out what the problem is there. Just submitted button, let's get submitted, go to delivery, then go to dashboard. It's not showing here. Okay, no, it's showing here. See here, the biryani order is delivery is 5 PM, ordered by random guy. This one is, as you can clearly see, it's working perfectly. So here the quantity part is there, there is the dashboard and the quantity here also showing. Let's see, add another one. So let's say bike or taxi, and here's pizza. Let's add here 2, one for me, one for my girlfriend, and here it say 100, and let's say submit. Okay, so it's submitted. Let's see whether it is come here or not, the pizza part. Okay, yeah, see here, pizza should be dropped, quantity is 2. So thank you, as I have expressed all the parts to add a new button and to work in front end, and how it will go to the backend part. So thank you for listening. Continuing in this video, thank you very much.